During the post-processing, our goal is to edit out any noise within the gate signals using our different editing tools. The third type of editing technique that we are going to talk about here is called the exclude. The exclude is used to completely delete a step from the video. It differs from both the correct and the connect in that it deletes both the X and Y axis data and shortens the video that you've captured. When deciding which editing technique to use, you only want to use the exclude if you have to. If you can edit the noise with correct or connect, that is preferable as it maintains the length of the original video. The exclude can be used for various reasons. For example, maybe two stance phases were merged into one and we can't split them up. Or maybe the software tracking just didn't work properly and you need to delete the step. Or maybe the animal stopped walking and rode the treadmill backwards and you want to delete the associated stance phase. The exclude allows us to completely cut out that portion of the video. In the example we have here, we can see a gate signal that looks quite odd. Let's use the play video button to see what's going on. When we look at the graph, we can see that the software thinks the animal's paw was in stance phase this whole time, which is incorrect. Watching the raw video, we can see that the animal's right forepaw steps down into stance phase, stays in stance phase, and then lifts its paw up into swing phase for the remainder of the step. Now look at the colored paw prints video in the bottom right. We can see that the paws are getting mixed up with one another, which is causing the noise. Because the stance and swing phase are being merged into one step, we are not going to be able to use the correct or connect to properly edit the noise. We'll have to use the exclude this time. To make the edit, click on exclude, click once to zoom in, and then click once on either side of the red dot of the gate signal that we want to edit. We're telling the software that this is the step we want to delete. If there are additional regions we want to exclude, you can select yes, but if not, click on no. Before we do that though, take a look at the length of the video. Before we make the edit, the video is almost 6 seconds long. Once we make the exclude, we can see that the video is now just under 5.5 seconds long. We've completely deleted the step from the dataset. It's important to note that if you use the exclude, it's only going to apply to the step we're currently editing. So, if there's a portion of the video you want to take out as a whole, you'll need to make sure to use exclude on all 4 paws. You can see that there's a few more noisy signals in the dataset. If we wanted to finish this off, we could use the correct to edit these. Make sure to use the correct on each one. And now our signals are ready to go.